Good morning, Nash. As it has come to our attention at NATV, it's starting to get hot outside. So, we've decided to merge the worlds of fashion and function by making a short tutorial, a short jortorial, on how to make everyone's favorite piece of clothing, jorts. Step 1. Find a pair of jeans. Go to your local thrift store and find a pair of jeans that speaks to you. You may want to hold interviews, but I typically just like to let the spirits guide me. Step 2. Tame the denim. Although you may have acquired a fresh new pair of jeans, it's important to note that they have yet to be domesticated. Challenge your jeans to a duel. In the event that you win, you can move on to the next step. Step 3. Befriend the denim. Get to know your jeans. Perhaps take them on a walk in the park, or go out to get ice cream. Note, make sure that the jeans know of their inevitable fate of becoming jorts. Step 4. Trim the denim. This is the time to decide your desired jort length. I prefer a saucy booty jort, but for the purposes of this video, we'll shoot for the mid-thigh. Remember, your soon-to-be jorts may be apprehensive about the jort conversion process. Whisper sweet nothings into the pockets of your jorts to calm them down. Step 5. Don your jorts. You've finally made it to the end of your quest for jorts, but this is only the beginning. The road will be long, much hardship lies ahead, for the jorting is upon us.